Hi guys, welcome to Tembia Kenya Adventures. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe for more exciting videos. Also be sure to like and share this video with your friends. Enjoy. Size 8 and DJ Mo, a power couple. Gospel stars, their love, their struggles. Always in the public eye. It hasn't been easy. But you know, their story, it gives us hope. They teach us about second chances. From the start, their lives were an open book. We celebrated their wedding, we watched their family grow. Through music and ministry, they shared their faith. But behind the scenes, things weren't perfect. Just like any couple, they had challenges. Size 8 got real. She admitted her mistakes. She talked about not understanding her role as a wife. She talked about not communicating well, about letting anger fester. These were tough lessons, but honestly, honesty is the first step to healing. She didn't blame DJ Mo, she took responsibility. This resonated with many women. We saw ourselves in her story. We felt her vulnerability. It gave us permission to be honest about our own struggles. Things hit a breaking point. Size 8 made a tough choice. She decided on a separation. This wasn't about giving up. It was about choosing herself. Sometimes you need space to heal, to think clearly, to find your own strength. The time apart changed them. They both went through personal growth, they sought counseling, they dug deep into themselves. Forgiveness doesn't come easy, it's a journey. Size 8 and DJ Mo chose to fight for their love. They chose forgiveness. They chose each other. They came back stronger. Their love had deeper roots. They learned to communicate better. They learned to really listen, to understand each other's needs. This is the power of second chances. This is the beauty of growth. Thanks for watching, and please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel for more entertaining videos. Have a lovely day.